Okay, so I make some little snow here as well, so I finished that part. So you see it's like the same that I was doing the last video, and then like more little snow here. So then you can like, maybe you wanna do more snow somewhere, like little dots, so you can like keep going with that, and maybe like different colors like here. I have some like yellow ones, some pink, you know, so can do that too. And I totally forgot to talk about the knot here. So you can make a knot on the back like that, just like a little knot like this, so you can secure the back and it's not gonna come out. And then you just cut it here if you want, so like that, and just one knot is fine. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going, and I think I wanna do French knots. So the French knots are these ones in the clouds and here as well. So you see how much texture it has here? It's like they are really, really nice. I'm gonna do some with pink. So it's like a super cool coral pink, kind of like neon color, really nice. So I'm gonna just cut little piece, and I'm gonna do the knots with like double, how I did it before. So I'm gonna thread the needle like that. Now I'm gonna just like make the knot here. So I'm gonna do, there are gonna be bigger knots because they're gonna be with double thread. So I'm gonna just make a little knot here in the end, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna choose an area to start. Maybe will be maybe here. I'm gonna do some knots here. Let's see. Okay, so to do a knot, it's like this. I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna wrap this around like this, like that, and then like a stitch beside, not in the same hole, and then it comes through the fabric. You just pull like that. So that's one knot. Sometimes they're messy, but it's okay if they're messy. I'm gonna do another one now. Let's see. Gonna wrap like that and stitch beside, not in the same hole, like that. And now you pull through like that. So also you can do like bigger knots like this. You can go like 1, 2, 3 wraps. I'm gonna repeat 1, 2, 3 wraps, for example, and then a stitch beside. Pull through the fabric like that. I think in the videos the neon color, it looks like not as nice how it's in real life anyway. Because in real life it's really nice. So I'm gonna keep doing knots, so you can do like really big knots with more than one wrap, or just like one wrap, you know. It doesn't have to be all the same ones. Like that. So I'm gonna keep doing this. I just keep doing this and fill this little shape. And then you see how you like the knots. Maybe you can do another area. Oh, have a mess here. Oh. Okay, I have a little problem. Okay, just gonna cut this. I start stitching the other thread. That stuff happened too, so don't worry. Okay, that, like that. Gonna keep going with this, and then when you don't have more thread, then you can just get more thread. Yeah, I don't think that thread is enough, so I'm gonna finish, and I'm gonna cut this and make a knot, and then we can like grab more threads and keep going. So you just make a knot like that. Then you can cut this a bit more. Okay.